Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Lexus GS300 door panel. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a trim removal tool set, and a pick. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Remember to roll down your window fully before you begin, as this provides crucial clearance for the panel. Next, we will tackle the trim and hidden screws. Use your pick tool to gently remove the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. Once that is off, you will find one Phillips head screw. There are a total of 8 Phillips head screws to remove, one behind the handle, one inside the rubber trim, one below the door pull, one above the door latch, and 4 along the bottom edge of the panel. With all the screws removed, it is time to detach the main panel. Use your trim removal tool or a flat blade screwdriver to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the 9 nylon clips holding it in place. Once the clips are loose, lift the entire door panel straight up to clear the window sweep. Finally, disconnect the 2 interior door handle cables and the 3 electrical wiring harnesses. When reinstalling, first connect the 3 electrical harnesses and the 2 door handle cables. Carefully align the door panel with the window channel, then push it down and press firmly around the perimeter to engage all 9 clips. Replace all 8 Phillips head screws in their original locations. Finally, snap the small trim piece back into place behind the door handle, ensuring a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.